Abusia yamamu nyina kwa aba edeba attention TV de na ekoso ebre na asumunim se de na ekoso nso de ensemu a etwago social media current ones nko a na da musonfo Rahel Obapa mede ebeso mo University Foundation adaroma na Natis Cosmetics and Boutique a womo asoye ewo ablekuma agape tarazo wamada mantine nenso maba abegina mu a mahye green na ekire se yedi bro nyamede nsem ye ebremwe na ensem ne emu ode yie pa nti bomode ne time chuku etwen me twa me husima na se me ba ye bebo ediera ensem ni Bobrisky na sister Tonto Dike womo emfoni na ekwahwe Tonto Dike no eba no Nigeria sinitwani mu a woyoba bia wadentere ha wo mu yie pa wotwetwa sene ahodo bebre ama na gidin awards nyina wagibi na danfo a wona ne bokosi atafre ene Bobrisky na abrantie wo dress te wo ba so wo gina ho pa na se wo enya ade a wonim no a wanhwa obeka se oba na wose ono ne dressing no ye fe cross dressing enti business na wode ye se de bi madwen ye omo se bi a wo ye gay no wonye gay wa ko platform bebre so am ye interview e bi sa ne se Bob anyenye bia se de wa husuo yi ne wa ho famati anyenye bia ye gay ana wose wonye gay da nanso unim se wadanfo no obi a wono na wone ne ka wasuma se mu nyina na me se Tonto Dike entokwa na wo mwanya no opeso wode Bob na suma sembi eba emonten so woni Instagram page no ade sister Tonto wodi asana wodi na sano na wacho say somebody's son in Nyash the leak you dey one fight
as of now you are a woman.
Yes.
So are there other occasions when you are not a woman?
Yes.
Are you bisexual?
No.
So what are you? Typically homosexual?
No.
You have been described as a famous Nigerian transgender. Is that right?
Not trans, cross-dresser. Cross-dresser, not...
Oh, you are a cross-dresser. You are not...
Cross-dressing. Wearing makeup, making hair, looking this way doesn't make me a gay.
What? Okay, so on your passport, international passport, for example, you write male under gender.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me ask you, growing up, have you ever dated a woman in your life?
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You've dated a woman before?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I've read a lot about you, about men chasing you. Do you enjoy being chased by men?
No.
The impression that you are dating men and they are paying you big money, so it's all acting.
It's not me. It's not.
Was there ever a time you were tempted to try gayism, to be, maybe bisexual?
There was one time I was thinking of being a bi. Like I want to fling both ways. I want to fling both the guys and the girls, but I haven't made up that mind yet. The truth is, even up to now, I still do girls. Up to now.
How naughty and adventurous are you?
I'm actually naughty.
Yeah, obviously. It's obvious.
Yes.
It's obvious.
Yes.
That's why. Yeah.
I'm actually naughty. I'm wild.
Is that part of the business?
No, that's my own personal life.
If by chance you impregnate a woman today, would you hide the baby so that alarm will not blow? Is it because then?
Yes. There is there's time for everything. If by chance, like you said, someone somewhere is pregnant, we have to have an agreement together. Don't say it out.
Whatever you are doing must be working for you. A lot of people have said that you are a bad role model for the young ones. Do you agree?
No, sir.
Have you ever done any cosmetic surgery?
Sir, don't just drop that side.
Bobrisky. So how religious are you?
Okay, personally, I'm very close to my creator. People don't believe someone like us. People don't believe someone like us we could be so close to God. But that's a very sad thing to say. God don't judge. Even God that created us don't judge. The Bible says never judge. So I feel, be who you are and come to me, talk to me. Like, talk to your God. Whether you're a mad woman, whether you're a madman, whether you're a fine woman, whether you're an ugly person, just give time to talk to your creator. Appreciate him. That's all.
And somebody nyina esi na mefa we so agina attention TV empanifo ne adwumafo nyina na mu amamo afishia pa baby bia wo hwe ye free ne da se se da bia no unya adaje na wo hwe ye videos na wo like na wo share edema ye YouTube attention TV wo share na wo share na o subscribe is also na Facebook attention TVGH like follow yen na eja wo comment ye kenkan e de ma wo sa na ya ma wo emuaye e wo ho make atra wo sa Nazis Cosmetics and Boutique at Aroma eso masne sa so na University Foundation so eso masne e ma ne den na ekoso me de ebe so mo media ene Rahel Obapa Makra